to try to understand one of the important chapter that is called as operators. That is called as operators. You can see we have operators are three types of operators. What are those? Comparison operators, Boolean or logical operators, NumPy logical operators. We'll try to see what is the meaning of those things. We'll start our journey first with comparison operators. We'll try to start with. If I want to compare it, till now, whatever we learned, the different items, it may be integer item, float, complex, string, boolean, lists, comparing integer and float, these are all things we have to understand which is possible, which is not possible, we have to understand. And end of this one, we're also going to see here comparing integer and array. How to create the array, we're going to learn in this one. Last, we are also seeing here use case. If pass marks is 35 and students got marks as shown below, then how many students passed in this exam? That is a use case, what you want to do it. Okay, so I am trying to go for first one, comparison operators. In that one, let us go and try to see. Let me go for practicals directly because it is very straightforward, nothing much job. I am going for one integer, that is 10, less than another integer I am taking. Both integers I am comparing. These two are what? Integers I am comparing. Possible or not possible? Possible, it is going to say correct. 10 less than 20, that is correct. And greater than, less than, equal to is nothing but called as comparison operators, like that, not equal to or available something. Now I want to compare here one float with another float. I want to compare it. That also possible. It's going to say true. If I say reverse of this one, 10.34 greater than, let us say 20.35, it is a true or false? It is false. If I want to compare two complex numbers, let's say 1 plus 2j, 1 plus 3j, I want to compare, it's showing as error. That means what? Two complex numbers you cannot compare using less than, greater than, or comparison operators basically. Okay. Now even you can compare two strings also. Let us see, Python is best or R is best? Python is best or R is best? Okay, let us go and try to write here Python greater than, I am saying as R. Now we are getting here, surprisingly it is false, we are getting it. How it is comparing these things? Please go on mute. How it is comparing these things? It is comparing these things based on the letter by letter, item by item. For example, first case, what is this one? P. P and R comparison, which is the ASCII value is more, R ASCII value is more. Comparatively the P, comparatively P. So it's saying as false, it is saying. Suppose if I am trying to compare same Python with Java, I am trying to compare. It's not reality Java, sir. Just it's going for item by item, alphabet by alphabet. We'll try to compare it. So it's saying as true. P ASCII value is more than J. So it's saying as true. Like that, strings also comparable. Item by item, it's going to compare. Now, if I go for, let's say, booleans, you know everyone, true means nothing but, what is that? 1. True plus true is what? 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2. If I say false plus false, what is the answer? 0. False plus true, what is the answer? 1. Because false means 0, true means 1. If that logic you are aware of it, can I compare now true greater than false? What is the answer we are expecting? True answer, because indirectly it is 1 greater than 0. 1 greater than 0, that means it is true only. Now, can I compare a list with the integer? Suppose I am asking 10, 20, 30 is greater than 15, I am asking. So if I try to compare one list and integer, it's showing as, what is this? Error. Wow, but it is not expecting by me, because This kind of generic questions, you may have it. How to handle this case? First, try to do this basic objects, integer, comparison with the integer, float, complex, string, all the things you try it. Integer with all other four things. Float also with all other four things. Integer, complex, like that. Try to see which are the things are possible, which are things are not possible. Try to observe it. This error, whatever we got it, this error, work around, what is the remedy, we'll try to see in the next class.